Well, I gotta hand it to me. It's looking pretty good, eh? Ha 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 ha. Got a bunch of fingers attached to a 3D printed plate. So now, all I gotta do is string it up, the left one, like I did the right one. Then I can put them on John McStud and start pointing fingers at people. They say you shouldn't point fingers at people, but in this case, I think they'll make an exception. Hooray! Yay! Woo! So, if you enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. I will be giving an update on the exact state of the giant robot Marduk in the next video. So, I will see you then. Bye-bye.